Pieces of cloud drift across the sky. Migrating birds have lost their way. Our lives are just the same as theirs, wandering without a place to stay. Like birds that fly with no direction, searching for a distant shore. Tell me now where we are going. What are we still flying for? Dime, this bird, where will you go? Softly burning, holding joys from passing days. Life reveals its deeper flavor as the world in kindness stays. All the light it gives around me, thinking of tomorrow's rest. I will pause beneath the sunset, let my weary heart be blessed. Live in hope and face tomorrow. Walk ahead and take it slow in the peace beneath the sunset. Let your